So fellas, how's day 2? That run to the sun.
Cold. Run to the sun.
Where's the sun?
Run from the sun. The sun didn't show up, so this is like run to the clouds.
Zach, you wanna tell us what y'all did last night?
No, can't. Classified information.
Classified.
Tequila. Yeah, come on over here.
Come on over here.
Tequila.
Y'all want to tell us what y'all did last night?
Have fun.
What the heck?
I found a Barbie on the beach after 2 tequila shots and like 5 Mike's Hard Lemonades.
Did Mike sucker punch you last night?
He did. Actually, no, he sucker punched me this morning.
Okay.
I'm okay now.
Nate Dog, what's up? You want to tell your fans what you brought?
Brought probably the best looking thing at the show.
Yeah.
Besides Joe Dirt.
Well, Joe Dirt ain't here, so.
Right. So I brought the second best.
Where's it at?
It's right over there. With all the pollen on it.
Oh, the Chevy?
Yeah. That black step side.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Did you drive it?
Oh yeah.
Oh, I hear you. Is that all you got to say about that?
I think so. It was a bumpy ride.
Hey, you boys work for this breed of retards?
No. No, listen. It's kind of chilly here today. Yeah. It's chilly, and I went to go buy a t-shirt or a sweatshirt. This joker says $20. I'm like, dang. So I walk over here. Greg Rogers was like, hey man, free sweatshirt, hand out some goodies. You ain't got to pay for the sweatshirt. And I'm like, I'm dang. I'm warm, I'm comfy, I'm styling and profiling. And I'm heading down koozies. FreeRods.com. See folks on it. Y'all can also purchase merchandise at this website. T-shirts, sweatshirts, hats. Come get one. You enjoy it. Good variety. Some of them got cars that we built on them.
Hey, Rusty, what'd you drive down here?
Ain't that for